In this video we'll show you how we can add instructions to specify the pilot hole position and the start position for a contour. So if we have a look at this shape first, so this is where we want the pilot hole, but we want to have a corresponding start position, so perhaps it would be perpendicular to the center of that circle. So what we need to do is we need to split this line at a perpendicular position, and to do that we use intersect, split, and choose the perpendicular option. Now because I want to snap on to the center of an existing item, I use near snap. So that snaps onto the center of the circle, and then I indicate the line and it creates a point and splits the line at that perpendicular position. So now we can add on what we call notes to specify the pilot hole and the corresponding start position. So to do that we use the note option here, and it starts off in near snap. So this will be the start point of this note, and the note takes the format $P1, and then you press enter. So that's the first pilot hole position. So for a pilot hole it needs a corresponding start position. So now we can snap on to the point that we created previously. That's the position there, and this has the format $S1, and then press enter. So for each pilot hole there's a corresponding start hole. So we can do the same thing going here. This is the pilot hole, so this is $P2, and this is the start point for P2, and this is $S2. Press enter. Now we can do the same thing here. $P3, enter. $S3, enter. Okay, when it comes to a circle we need to do something else. Because a circle is not a 360-degree arc, we need to split the circle at a position. So to do that we can use line at an angle, and it doesn't matter what angle this is at, so long as near snap is selected so that it snaps on to the center of the circle. Then we can use intersect, take off perpendicular, and just use the split option. Okay, so that now creates a 360-degree arc. If we want to delete the line, then we can do. So now we've got a 360-degree arc, we can create a point which is perpendicular to this start point, the pilot hole position. So we use intersection, split, go back to perpendicular. I'm in near snap, so it's finding the center of that circle, and it creates a point on that circle perpendicular to the pilot hole. So now we can continue putting our notes on. So this is $S4, enter, and this is $P4, enter. So having created the notes, we can create the contours. Give this a depth. That's created one contour, and the next one, and the next one, and the next one. Okay, so now we can save this file away. And we can go into the Wire EDM module. So now we have those four contours. the system has automatically created a go-round operation for each one of those contours, and we can see the corresponding pilot hole positions and the corresponding start positions. So now we can go into each one of these and set up the parameters that we need for each one of those contours.